It'll be a much more colorful and noisy night sky over the next few days with Michigan's new fireworks law in place. But as 7 Action News reporter Michael Rosenfield tells us, some municipalities are a little frightened for people's safety and are adding some rules to the state law.
Dawn Lee and her kids are picking out what looks cool to light up for the 4th of July, buying up everything from Roman candles to repeaters, fireworks that are now allowed in Michigan.
This is the mortars that weren't allowed before that you put it in that goes up in the air like 100 feet or something like that. So we're excited, and my daughter's excited about these smiley face things that explode in the air, and we've got a frog that lights up.
This is the first 4th in Michigan where businesses can sell fireworks that don't just stay on the ground. And at Phantom Fireworks in Farmington Hills, that means more customers who are spending more money.
Business has been good. It's also made employment, again, for people around the state of Michigan. We got temporary stores. We got a couple full-line stores that are open year-round in Michigan, and we have like 40 tents open throughout Michigan.
Until this year, Michigan residents had to drive to Indiana or Ohio to buy things like this barrage fire candle. Now all that money we're spending will stay right here in the state.
It's helping revenue. It's giving people some jobs and incomes for a week, month, hopefully longer.
The new law allows these aerial fireworks on federal holidays, as well as the day before and day after each one. Several cities, though, are tightening local ordinances. In Novi, for example, these fireworks are prohibited on public property and can't be used by someone under the influence of drugs or alcohol.
I'm afraid to light them, so we'll see how it goes.
I'm Michael Rosenfield, 7 Action News.
Other cities have fireworks ordinances. In Royal Oak, Birmingham, and Ferndale, you can only shoot off fireworks on the 4th of July and the day before and the day after the holiday. Shooting them off on other days is illegal and could get you fined.